BO is mostly for reporting, as of I heard. We'll get the data from BI and we'll report on that.
Oh, that's what
and
is your...
more. Yeah, reporting is very flexible here. What I heard is, and
Okay.
there are many tools which will help us in reporting easily.
So have you ever worked on BO? No.
No.
So you are just basically acquiring the knowledge and then put the knowledge into practice.
Yeah.
Fair enough. Absolutely. That's what is required. Come on, okay, let's start with what is BO is all about.
Okay.
As you have given me the information that the BO is a reporting tool, and as you know more of, you know about BEX reporting and other things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fair enough. That should be more than enough because you understand BEX, so it shouldn't be a problem for you as of understanding what a report is all about.
Okay.
Welcome to BO's land. BO.
Thank you.
BO, business objects, business intelligence was the version that was the information that was called before. Now they call it as purely business intelligence.
Okay.
So coming on to business intelligence, it was just a bit of history of what BO is. 1990 it started in France as the headquarters. Bernard and Dennis were the two people who established this company in the 1990s, and they gradually expanded their base, or they gradually established the company in San Jose, San Francisco, as well as in Vancouver, the biggest office. Subsequently, this company was acquired by SAP. The negotiations started somewhere in 2005 and finally concluded to take over Business Objects in 2007 with $6.7 billion.
Okay.
$6.8 billion, whatever it is. So it's a computer software industry. Started as founded in 1990. San Jose, California, and Paris were the two headquarters. Subsequently opened a big office in Vancouver. John and Bernard were the two people who played till the end, and the products of Business Object resulting into XI-R2, XI-3.1, the Business Objects 8 series, Crystal reports, Excel sheets, dashboards, and the data services, or rather data integrator.
Okay.
Well, the revenue in 2005 was close to $1.77 billion, subsequent, and with an employee of 4,977 at the quarter 2 of 2006. In 2007, it was taken over by SAP. Why we require BO? BO is a tool that helps. It's not only a tool as such, if you look into for reporting purpose, but it also does an ETL job. Okay. Now coming on to the addressing of what a business object helps and understand the volatile market addressed by the versatile people. I would put it as address the volatile market with the versatile people. The market, of course, you know for sure that it's not stable, and it keeps moving, and it keeps fluctuating. There's no steadiness in the market. Okay, that is what is governing basically this. That's what is the key factor where the data is not consistent, or the data is not stable. So it is fluctuating. So the analysts basically look into the data to understand how the market is fluctuating. And that's why the analysts are known as, or anyone who is dealing with data is known as the versatile people, because they are the doctors of data. So it's only the people who can play with the data. That's why we are versatile, to understand and predict the data of the fluctuating market. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, coming on, who all requires this business objects? It's basically any segment if you take into consideration. And with top level management, executives and managers, they would love to see the data or how the company is progressing in a synopsis. Analyst who gives information, basically analyze the data and give right information to the management to take necessary steps accordingly. And the information consumers who day in and day out look into the data to understand and what's happening within the organization with a particular segment. So business objects, it addresses, it is part and parcel of everyone basically. I would say it's everyone's bread, butter and jam.
Okay.
If you look into it, data plays a vital role, as I said in the beginning. Any area, if you look into it, has to have data to penetrate what the department is heading forward for. In an amalgamation, the entire branch which are there, conglomerated, becomes the status of the organization or the enterprise. So the data is ruling the entire enterprise, and this data has been represented in different ways as by the analysts to see how the market is fluctuating and how should we take steps based on the fluctuation of the market. So it is it's a rift between the data and the management.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
So the strategy as a business object is concerned, ultimate goal for SAP business objects is to penetrate all the information into mobile. So it encompasses anywhere and everywhere you can see the data through your mobile. That's the final ultimate information. All your applications like Explorer, Crystal Reports, WebEye, all can be viewed in your mobile instantly with updated data. Okay. But there are a lot of other things that are there. Now how they are progressing, innovation is a part and parcel of SAP's agenda. So they are stepping into all these segments for them to flourish and develop high and high. The architecture of business objects is a 5-tier architecture. Of course, most of the things are part and parcel of most of the organizations who deals with reports. But in business objects, it's a 5-tier architecture, whereby first and foremost thing is the data tier, where the data resides basically. Next is the business intelligence, universe systematic layer, which is a processing tier. This is where the processing takes place within the business objects is nothing but the universe. Then it has been pushed to the business intelligence platform, is nothing but your intelligent tier, where it segregates and get the information based on the requirements enforced on the reports, enforced on the tool to view certain reports or dashboards. Now, once it hits the business intelligence platform or your intelligent tier, next is the source, the types of things that you could work on from the business intelligence platform or the business tier. Basically, you can derive a report on your own without any requirement. Becomes a analysis job wherein he can bring in all the dimensions and objects. Measures, etc., for them to understand how the data is. The second one is, that is what I'm talking about, self-service, so it's totally flexible for them to work on. Next is dashboard and applications. These are the graphical format, graphical representation of the data that's been decided and stays and been hosted in PowerPoint, so there shouldn't be any problem. Next is the reporting, a detailed or ad hoc level reporting, for which there are two tools, nothing but your WebEye and Crystal reports.
Okay.
Now these are there in your repository, but how do I view it as an end user? So they give an option of viewing all these things, all the reports developed or the dashboards developed on your mobile, either of your mobile, like your Windows, like your Android, like your BlackBerry or iPhone, etc., etc., or on the browsers. If you want to see it on the browsers, you can do it on the browsers as well. You have 4 different browsers out there for you to view. The next is other things like want to enable Microsoft Office or any other area where enterprise portal or where these can be shown for the end users to access it. So this is the synopsis of what exactly or how the data is flowing from a database or a data tier to your final end user tier. There is nothing but the client tier. Clear?
Yeah, but
any questions?
Yeah, I'm not clear about the universe semantic layer and business intelligence platform.
See, business intelligence platform, it includes all your business servers. Like Crystal Report has its own server, Web Intelligence has its own server. A lot of servers are inbuilt within the BO system.
Okay.
So this, as and when activated, starts working towards it. Universe is a semantic layer where you design your database structure. Your database can be from single source or it could be multiple source.
Yeah, okay.
So you merge all those things to create a universe. From universe you get into the business layer wherein you prepare your reports and dashboards, which will be used either by your self-service or your dashboards or a dashboard and applications reporting, where you'll be creating your own reports, your own dashboards, your own self-driven reports or dashboards. Then finally these will be viewed by the end user through any of those modes which are seen there.
Okay.
Are you clear now?
Yeah.
Are you getting the picture? If not, I don't mind explaining it to you once again.
No, I got it.
You're comfortable, right?
Yeah.
I don't want the session to be recorded, please.
Yeah, I'm not recording.
No, there's another person who is being recording it.
Okay, I thought I was the only one who is attending.
I don't know. Can you call the other person?
I don't know who is the other person attending this.
Just give me a second. Just give me a second.
Yeah, sure.
No, I don't want anyone to record my sessions.